Santana Park, Nai Cavite, and the Ralph. Early lead is taken by Promise from the outside, and Sitonet, Dance Fever, moving up on the inside, Sharp Eye, and Star of Manao. And as they lead the straight, it's entry number 2, Sharp Eye, leading the field, followed by Promise on the outside in second, and Sitonet running in third by 2.5 lengths. Entry number 1 is Star of Manao and Dance Fever. Into the backstretch, it's Sharp Eye by the rail, moving up on the outside is Promise and Sitonet, and on the farther outside is Star of Manao. And at the mid backstretch, it's still Promise by a length. It's Promise followed by entry number 1, and that is Star of Manao on the outside, Sitonet and Sharp Eye. Nearing the far turn, it is still Promise in the lead, followed by Star of Manao on the outside. And at the far turn, Star of Manao on the outside, Promise by the rail, and Sitonet, Sharp Eye. The last bend for home, it's Promise by the rail. It is still Promise by the rail. Star of Manao moving up on the outside, Sitonet closing in third, and Sharp Eye remains in fourth. And into the home stretch, it's Promise by the rail. Star of Manao moving up on the outside, and Sitonet on the farther outside, Sharp Eye. And nearing the payoff line, Promise by the rail, Star of Manao, Sitonet moving up on the farther outside, but it's still Promise in the lead, followed by Star of Manao on the outside, Sitonet on the farther outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Promise, Sitonet, Star of Manao, Sharp Eye,